Good morning mga kabrad! At nandito tayo ngayon, no, kapanayan natin ang pinaka-highest ranking ng Navy Reserve ng Caraga Region. Salamat sa pagbisita niya. At hindi ko patagalin, sasabihin ko na kung sino bisita natin. Walang iba kundi si Brigadier General Claro A. Losada, Philippine Army, the former commander of 2003rd Ready Reserve Infantry Brigade based at 15 RCDJ. From 2012 to 2024, and now he is presently the acting division commander of the 151st Standby Reserve Division, Philippine Army. Good morning, sir. So, welcome, sir, dito sa 12 RCDG, and we are very glad, no, na si sir is nandito sa atin, nagbisita, and we are surprised sa visit ni sir. And we would like to know, sir, and you give us, sir, your insight and accomplishments and other best practices, sir, about the Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion and the other, natin, sir, yung ano ba talaga ang reserve force na malalaman dapat natin ng ating mga kababayan.
Well, thank you very much, Marcel. The best practices that I would like to share with you is, for 32 years in the service, the best leadership, unwavering leadership, commitment, and dedication to the service is one of the best practices that we should follow. Insofar as the insight is concerned, as a leader, you should involve yourself being a leader, committed, voluntarism aspect, and it will be your passion to be handling a reservist NCO or officers with some aspect on leadership, encouragement, and motivation.
Thank you very much, sir. And anong masasabi mo sa kababayan natin, sir, na sayang mga insight mo, sir, and best practices sa Ready Reserve, na meron pala tayong Ready Reserve Division, sir? Ano ba ang pwede nating masabi, sir, sa mga kababayan natin?
Well, that's a very nice question, Master. In Caraga, I am trying to organize now the standby reserve of the 151st Division. So I am trying to collect and collaborate with all school heads and STP coordinator, RTC coordinator of the different schools. Those who are graduate of ROTC, graduate of CMT, retirees, that they were not yet active, we are trying to call them up to rejoin in our reserve force. In the future, people will see that many of the graduate of ROTC, BCMT, and those who retired, they are coming back to the service just to fulfill what we call patriotism and love of country.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. At sigurado marami na yung kababayan, sir, na nakikinig siya. Thank you very much, sir.